its center of gravity breaks through. Henan Mine is a port. 40-ton portal crane developed and manufactured. Recently, the crane is equipped with an advanced control system. Functions such as lifting, slewing, luffing are equipped with various safety devices. Ensure the safety of the capable of outstanding offshore wind power and unloading of various goods, such storage and transportation. Greatly improved the operating mechanism adopts AC frequency conversion speed rate switches at the serial line tail. The safety protection performance is extremely during the man. It will accurately ensure the installation accuracy of all parts. Pre-assembly made the equipment have accurate grasping and smooth operation, which is ease significantly improve operational efficiency. In the future, Henan Mines will shipbuilding and other industries on technology, shaping new development drivers and continuously promote the high-quality development